Location of the New England colonies.
So right where the red dot is pointing to is where the New England colonies are located. The states' names are Maine, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, and last but not least, Rhode Island.
What was the New England colonies known for?
They were known for more of things like shipbuilding, fur metal, tools, equipment, novel supplies, not so much for crops because of their location. Some social class rules in the New England colonies.
In New England, the Puritans created a self-governing communities of religious congregation of farmers and their families. High-level politicians gave out plots of land to male settlers or proprietors who then divided the land among themselves.
Specializations.
Some things they specialize in is things like shipbuilding, fishing, and whaling. As you see in these pictures, they are fishing. We still fish to this day, but much differently.
3 geographics of the New England colonies.
The New England colonies had hilly terrains, rocky soil, and jagged coastlines.
What did the New England colonies do for social interaction?
Well, the New England colonies did town meetings for some social interaction.
Jobs New England colonies have.
There are some jobs of colonial people found in the region. They did things like fishing, shipbuilding, and loggers.
Thanks for watching. Bye!